Hello everyone, Vinay this side. In this video, I want to demonstrate the one-click order creation feature. Uh, this order creation feature on the one-click will be work based on the shortcut keys which we have added. So there are two sets of shortcut key which we created. One is with Control plus BRS and then Shift plus some up arrows and down arrows combination. I'll explain all these things in detail once we go to the tv.dhan.co. Uh, so yeah, I enable the settings and then I'll save it. So before that, I placed 100 lots per trade. Okay, so just to the orders will be sliced, right? So for demonstration, I just give 100 lots so that like, you can see at one click all the 100 lots will be placed in the sliced manner. Okay, so let's jump on to tv.dhan.co with Nifty chart. So I pulled up 18,000 call option, which is right now trading at around 174. So in TradingView, we'll see multiple layout of chart, which they provide, right? Like Control plus B and Control plus S will work on any layout, but there is a cache. I'll tell you what is that. But right now I'm in single layout chart. So what I can do, I just press Control plus B. I'm going to press Control plus B now. Okay, so it will go and place in the market order. Okay, so right now market is closed, so order will be placed at AMO order. But if you are in live market hours, then the market will be placed at live and it will be executed live in the market order. Okay, so yeah, I'm pressing Control plus B now. So with 100 lots. Okay, now order has been placed. Okay, so I can see here orders AMO. So you can see it got split into three legs. So automatically just one click it got splitted, and then it's at market and it's at AMO order. So it will be displayed here. It's not in order, I mean not in the pending order, but in AMO there is a separate tab Dhan has provided, and then here it's not displaying in TradingView because it's after market order. It's not displaying. Okay, now what I can do? Let me press some more times of Control P. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So basically 5 times I press. So uh, you can see multiple orders will be placed here at the with multiple quantities, right? Yeah, this is for the single chart layout, right? Let me cancel everything before I move on. Okay, now I cancelled all the orders. Now let me go to two layout chart or any layout, whatever you feel you want to use it, right? So here I pulled up 18,000. Let me pull up 18,100 call option. Here I pull up 18,000 put option. Let me pull up. Okay, so this is 18,000 put option. So right now I have a 4 layout chart. So let it be any layout of chart. So if you are pressing a Control plus B, always remember the last selected one will be considered as the order window. Okay. So let's say right now I chose 1800. So if you see here, this is the chart which is selected. So now if I press Control plus B, order will go through 1800 call. Okay. Let me go and pull up. So if you see here at the AMO, 1800 call option order got placed. And similarly, if I pressed 1800 put option and press Control B, it selected in 1800. So let me press Control plus B. Okay, so yeah, so you can see 1800 put option got placed. So always remember, if you are pressing Control plus B on single chart or multi-layout chart, the last selected chart layout, that script order will be get placed. Okay, this is for Control plus B and Control plus S. Similarly, you can press Control plus S to place and sell order. Right now I press Control plus S on 1800 call option. You can see some sell orders placed. Okay, yeah, it's all going in AMO because market is closed right now. So when you execute this order in live market, every order will be executed at market price. Okay, now let's move to the second part where will switch to two layout chart. Okay, so right now I'm at two layout chart. Here I have 18,000 call option. Here I have 18,000 put option. Let me cancel all the pending orders now. Okay, I cancel all the orders. Uh, Now, so there is multiple combinations of key which we added. One is shift plus left arrow and shift plus right arrow. Similarly, shift plus up and shift plus down. So left meaning if you press shift plus left arrow, the left side script by order will be placed. If you are pressing shift plus right arrow, this right side script order will be get placed. In contradiction to the previous Control plus B and Control plus S, you no need to select the chart you are placing. So you can simply press shift left or shift right. Automatically the buy order and the similar sell order will be placed on the left side script and right side script. but always the shift key combination will work only if you are on two layout chart. If you are on three layout or single layout, and if you're pressing shift plus any arrows, this will give you an error message saying the combination will not work. Okay, so yeah, right now I am pressing shift plus left arrow. So always shift plus left arrow will place an order for left side script. Okay, that's a buy order. I place shift left. Okay, so you can see 18,000 call option will be placed. AMO. Okay, so if I press shift plus right arrow, you can see 18,000 put option will be get placed. Okay, you can see 18,000 put option will be placed. Similarly, if I press shift plus up arrow, uh, okay, always the left side cell. Okay, so left side cell, shift plus up is left side cell, and similarly shift plus down will be the right side cell order. Okay, I press shift plus right, so 18,000 put got placed with cell order. Okay, so to reiterate, um, shift and left and shift and up arrow is for the left side script buy and sell. Similarly, shift plus right side key, right arrow key, or shift plus down arrow key will be a right side script buy or sell. Okay, so always remember. Now if I am in three layout chart, and then if I am pressing shift plus left arrow, okay, so you can see one click order is not available because you have to be in two layout chart. So if you want to still use single one click, so you can go with control B, but you have to remember which chart you selected, that will be get placed. If I'm pressing control P, this will be placed. 18,100 call option will be get placed. Okay, so yeah, this is something. And one another thing is uh, this page again, once again. Okay, option chain. So by default, if you notice, option chain will be pulled towards the left side. Okay, what the reason being is, without that plugin, this option chain window is rendering at the center of the page, and then when you click buy or sell, automatically it's going behind that option chain window. So it's make difficult to placing an order. For that reason, we made a fix so that the option chain will be pulled to the left side and the order window will be pulled to the right side. Okay, now for the one click. Okay, so what you have to do is, let's say you still want to look in the option chain, but I want to place an order instantly, right? Like what I will be doing, all you have to do is, like, at the left side you choose any of the stock, I mean the script. In the right side you choose any of the stock. So basically you are going to play around with 1800 and then with 18050 put option, right? So you can still be on the option chain. Even shift plus left arrow or shift plus right arrow combination will still go ahead. Okay, you don't need to close this option chain. If you see, 1800 will be placed because I pressed shift plus left arrow. If I press shift plus right arrow, if you see, I pressed shift right arrow, it's 18050 order is placed. Right. Similarly, you can press shift up arrow to square up your position on the left side script. Similarly, you can press shift plus down arrow. Okay, so it's not a matter that, like, you have to pull up only call here and put here. So you can choose any script. It doesn't matter. So what script you choose in left side, that will be get placed. It doesn't matter that you have to choose only call option in the left side. Okay. Yeah. So just to show the difference, like, let me turn off this plugin. Okay, I'll close this and I'll refresh this page so that, like, plugin will be disabled. Okay, right now plugin is disabled because I turned off. Okay, right now I open option chain. If you see, it will always open in the center of this window. If I click cell, you see the difference. The cell window will be going behind the option chain, and you have to always drag the option chain window, and then you have to place an order. This is a problem, so we fixed it. Okay, yeah, that's all. I have this the demo for this video. Thank you. Bye bye.